Right, so just doing some experiments here. Just with a capacitor and a breadboard. But just gotta modify this AC adapter to fit with my breadboard. So yeah, I've just been playing with this and seeing how long these kind of hold their charge for once you disconnect the power. So test our wires, should be about 6 volts. About 6 volts there, and then connect it to the capacitor. Should have about 6 volts at the capacitor too. Yep. Then we disconnect the power. Still got 6 volts. So as you can see, 5.8 stays charged for quite a while after you disconnect the power. Let's try it again. 5.6. It is decharging, but not as quickly as if we have a resistor in parallel. And what that means in parallel just means it's connected to both the positive and negative side. So we'll put a 2k ohm resistor in. Now we'll test it again. Nothing. That worked pretty quick, eh? Connect the power up again. Let's test that capacitor. Got our 6 volts. Now we'll disconnect that. Is that discharged already? Super quick, eh? The last time I did it, I could see it dropping down. I had the multimeter on. But can't have been quick enough. Yeah, that decharges super quick. I guess what we can do is try it with a lower value resistor. 100 ohms. See how quickly that discharges or whatever. Okay. Got 6 volts. Maybe I need to leave it on for longer for it to actually charge up more. Let's leave it on there for about 30 seconds. That's weird. Seems to have happened pretty much straight away, even with that 100 ohm resistor. Put that back so we don't. Yeah, that resistor seems to discharge it very quickly. But that's pretty much it. I was thinking of trying to, although we only have 5 volt, 6 volts power supply, trying to put like a capacitor in that is rated below that, but I don't even know if there is any below 6 volts, so guess that's it for today. Just a bit of experimenting. What's that capacitor there? 47 UF. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, thanks for watching.